If you're someone who wants to master your finances, then you need to subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire. Financial literacy is a critical life skill that many individuals find themselves lacking. Despite its importance, many schools have historically underserved their students in this area, leaving a gap in essential knowledge that could significantly affect their future financial stability and success. This gap can result in young adults entering the workforce without the necessary tools to manage their finances effectively, often leading to poor financial decisions that have long-term consequences. The lack of financial education in schools is not just a minor oversight, it's a significant deficit in preparing students for real-world challenges. While many curriculums cover basic economics, they often fail to delve into practical financial skills such as budgeting, investing, managing credit, and planning for retirement. These are the tools that can truly empower individuals to build a secure financial future. The consequences of this educational void can be seen in the rising levels of debt and financial insecurity among young adults. Without a solid foundation in financial literacy, individuals are more susceptible to pitfalls like high-interest debt, inadequate savings, and lack of retirement planning. This not only affects individual lives but also has broader economic implications. Recognizing this issue is the first step toward change. By understanding what schools fail to teach about money, individuals can seek out the knowledge they need to manage their financial lives wisely. It also underscores the importance of incorporating comprehensive financial education into school curriculums to equip future generations with the necessary skills to succeed financially. Budgeting is often perceived as a restrictive practice, yet it is one of the most basic and essential skills for managing money effectively. A budget is a plan that helps individuals track their income and expenses, ensuring they live within their means and save for future goals. Despite its importance, many people graduate from school without ever having learned how to create or maintain a budget. The process of budgeting allows individuals to gain a clear understanding of where their money is going, which is crucial for making informed financial decisions. It helps prevent overspending and ensures that savings are set aside for emergencies and other financial goals. Moreover, budgeting can help reduce financial stress by providing a sense of control over one's finances. Without the knowledge of how to budget, many young adults find themselves struggling to manage their finances once they start earning. They often learn through trial and error, a method that can be costly and stressful. Schools should therefore prioritize teaching this vital skill to help students prepare for the financial realities of adulthood. Adopting simple budgeting techniques can make a significant difference. For instance, using the 50/30/20 rule, allocating 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, can provide a straightforward framework for managing finances. Such practical tips are invaluable tools that schools should be imparting to their students. Savings form the cornerstone of financial security. They not only cover unforeseen expenses and emergencies, but also provide the financial backbone for future investments and purchases. However, the concept of saving is not emphasized enough in the school curriculum, which often leads to young adults who are unprepared to set aside a portion of their income. The importance of savings must be instilled from an early age. Starting to save early can take advantage of compound interest, where interest is earned on interest, and the initial savings continue to grow. This exponential growth is crucial in building a substantial financial reserve over time. Yet without proper education on the benefits and methods of saving, many young people miss out on this powerful financial tool. Schools should teach students about different savings strategies and the various types of savings accounts available, such as high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and money market accounts. Understanding these options can help individuals make informed decisions about where to park their savings to maximize growth. Practical exercises like setting a personal savings goal and achieving it over a school term could be an effective way to teach students the tangible benefits of saving. Such hands-on learning can cement the habit of saving and demonstrate the positive impact it can have on one's financial well-being. Section 4. Investments, building wealth over time. Investing is a powerful tool for wealth creation, yet it is a topic that is seldom covered in depth in school curriculums. Understanding the basics of investing is crucial for anyone who wants to grow their wealth and ensure financial stability in the long run. Investments can vary widely, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. each carrying its own set of risks and rewards. Teaching the fundamentals of investing, including the concepts of risk and return, diversification, and the time value of money, can empower individuals to make informed decisions about where to invest their money. It's important that young people understand that investing is not just for the wealthy. Even small amounts, if invested wisely and consistently over time, can grow significantly. Moreover, schools should provide practical examples and perhaps simulations of investment scenarios to help students grasp these concepts better. This can demystify the process of investing and encourage a more proactive approach to personal finance. Investment education can also dispel common myths and fears associated with investing, such as the notion that the stock market is too complex or too risky for the average person. With the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, anyone can learn to invest wisely and secure their financial future. Section 5. Credit understanding and managing it wisely. Credit is a double-edged sword. While it can be a useful financial tool when managed properly, it can also lead to significant financial troubles if used irresponsibly. Many young adults are introduced to credit without a full understanding of how it works or its potential consequences. This lack of education can lead to poor credit management and long-term financial issues. Schools have a critical role in demystifying credit and teaching students how to manage it effectively. This includes understanding how credit scores are calculated, the importance of maintaining a good credit history, and the implications of different types of credit, such as credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. Proper management of credit involves learning to read and understand credit reports, knowing how to dispute inaccuracies, and realizing the importance of paying bills on time. These are practical skills that can save individuals from falling into debt traps and help them leverage credit to their advantage. Additionally, schools should teach about the dangers of high-interest debt and strategies to avoid or manage it. Practical exercises such as comparing different credit offers or calculating the long-term cost of carrying a credit balance could provide hands-on learning opportunities. Section 6. Retirement planning. The importance of early preparation. Retirement planning is often the last thing on young people's minds, but early planning is key to ensuring a comfortable retirement. The concept of retirement may seem far off for students, yet the earlier one starts saving and planning for retirement, the better off they will be. This is due to the power of compound interest and the benefits of longer investment horizons. Schools should introduce the basics of retirement planning, including the different types of retirement accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, and pensions. Understanding these can help individuals make better decisions about their retirement savings strategies. It's also important for students to learn about the potential need for other retirement income sources, such as Social Security or annuities. Teaching about the impact of inflation on savings and the importance of considering healthcare costs in retirement planning are also crucial. These are complex topics, but they can be broken down into understandable segments that empower students to take proactive steps towards securing their financial future. Retirement planning education could also include simulations that show different retirement scenarios based on savings rates, investment choices, and other variables. This could help students visualize the long-term effects of their financial decisions. Section 7. Conclusion: the need for comprehensive financial literacy. The lack of financial literacy education in schools is a pressing issue that has far-reaching consequences for individuals and society as a whole. As we have explored, understanding budgeting, savings, investments, credit management, and retirement planning are essential skills that all individuals should possess. These are not just academic concepts, but practical tools that can lead to a more financially secure and prosperous life. It is imperative that educational institutions integrate comprehensive financial literacy into their curriculums to prepare students for the real-world financial challenges they will face. This would not only help individuals make better financial decisions, but also strengthen the economic stability of our society. Parents and guardians can also play a significant role by reinforcing these concepts at home. Additionally, individuals should seek ongoing education through books, seminars, and online resources to fill any gaps in their financial knowledge. Ultimately, financial literacy is not just about managing money, it's about securing a better future. By prioritizing this essential education, we can equip future generations with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed and thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more insights and tips on achieving financial success.